Right then guys, I've been asked to cut open a Worcester heat exchanger because we've been having a lot of problems with these, what people call kebabbing. So this has been on my system now for 8 years, 9 years maybe. It's been a clean system, so let's just have a look, we'll see. I don't know if you can see there, but to me that just looks like a new heat exchanger. I've got to say that I've been on a bit of a downer with Worcester, and I did think that these heat exchangers were really crap and really poor quality, but if I'm honest, I don't think that's too bad really. In 9 years, it doesn't even look like there's any muck in it. I think clearly the big problem with these heat exchangers is that people are just throwing boilers in, maybe not doing a very good job, and then they're blaming the products once they go faulty. But you can't expect an heat exchanger to last very long if it's on a really mucky system. So I think really a lot of the problems are down to installers not doing a very good job. But let's cut a bit more up and we'll see. Again, I mean, you can see that little tiny blob of muck on there, but so that is your Worcester heat cell. A little bit of muck on it, but I honestly don't think that's done bad since it's been in all the years.